while I'm performing in Mumbai, you will see me in Chandigarh, or you'll see me in Ludhiana, or you will see me in the PVR nearest you. Yeah, it's been like a year, bro, and like we have to go back. Whatever I could do, how much I had in my savings, I thought it's very important to sort of help people around you, and I didn't even like want to tell people about it.
So Dhwani, the girl is here, and we had a fantastic conversation बस कुछ दिन पहले, और आज हमारे पास एक और बहुत ही amazing announcement है. So we thought Dhwani से फिर से बात करते हैं, and we'll talk about this big event that's happening on Sunday. Dhwani, इससे पहले मैं कुछ बोलूं, please tell us what's happening on 10th of January 2021.
I just want to say that the 10th of January 2021 is really special because we're doing a concert called Welcome to 2021 in the PVR theaters. And I hope all of you all can make some time and come on a Sunday at 5 p.m. To enjoy the concert. It's going to be in 10 cities, and it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be live at the same time. And this has never happened before.
So इसका मतलब ये है कि 17 शहरों से लाइव जाएगा, लाइव स्ट्रीम होगा ये परफॉर्मेंस. ध्वनि ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप बॉम्बे में हैं तो ध्वनि को आप लाइव परफॉर्म करते हुए देख सकते हैं, और अगर आप मुंबई में नहीं है तो भी आप अपने करीबी मूवी थिएटर में पीवीआर में जाइए, एंड यू कैन सी हर परफॉर्मिंग ऑन द बिग लाइव स्क्रीन. Dhwani, post-COVID के बाद
it's going to be real time. It's not like it's recorded or anything. While I'm performing in Mumbai, you will see me in Chandigarh, or you'll see me in Ludhiana, or you will see me in the PVR nearest you.
Yay! The first, come back to reality होने वाला है कि बोलो चलो कुछ तो चीजें normal हो गई है. Are you excited live performance के लिए? कि भाई normal.
I'm very excited. Yeah, it's sort of, I think, difficult to pull also. Technically on for it to go streaming everywhere, in PVR. We've also done that, and I just hope it works out fine on the day and people enjoy. We've made all the arrangements, and it's going to be pretty good, and we've made like an experience. So I just hope you all come and see it in the theaters, and it's basically an initiative for the theaters because it's been a while that we all have gone in, spent money on the tickets and gone in to watch a movie, and I just feel like it's come back to the theaters. So please come back to the theaters.
Come back to the theater. What is your favorite memory of watching a movie in a theater?
Bro, every Sunday, my dad, me, my mom, my sister, we used to get ready nicely and go to have a popcorn and a samosa and a Pepsi, and you'd go watch a movie. That's literally how I've grown up also,
Yeah, I like how it's such a...
I think we all enjoy it, yeah. You wouldn't watch a movie on the in the theater or what, like given an opportunity.
Yeah. But we don't get dressed in Kovala family. Like I was just saying the same thing. I said, "आप तो कितना तैयार श्यार होकर मतलब you make a family outing." हमारे यहाँ तो because we used to live with our flatmates. हम लोग सुबह उठते थे, नाश्ता करते थे, नहाया भी नहीं होता था. We were like, "Movie is there. Let's go to the next theater." And शायद 10 मिनट में movie शुरू होती थी. And we would just reach there and we'll be like gorging on popcorn and Pepsi, and we've not done that forever.
Yeah, it's been like a year, bro, and like we have to go back.
Yeah, bro. Tell me more, bro.
That only, that please go back to theaters first to come on the 10th and then keep watching movies in the theaters because they're safe, they're fine, they're doing all the sanitization, they're taking care of you. It's a very controlled environment. So
yeah,
you're going to the mall, might as well go to the theater. It's safe.
True that. Yeah. लेकिन ध्वनि ये पूरा साल, I mean, कुछ ज़्यादा ही अलग रहा है. मतलब I mean last year, अभी already last year हो गया, और इसका भी मतलब realization set नहीं हुआ है that there has been a whole year जब हम इस challenging time से निकले हैं. But entertainment industry के लिए बहुत सारी definitions बदल गए हैं, right? मायने बदल गए हैं. What is entertainment for you? How to perform in front of a live audience? For actors जिनकी movies release नहीं हुई हैं, how do you think entertainment is now going to change?
We'll have to find avenues to sort of, we have to adapt because you don't know when everything's going to be back to what it was.
Yeah.
So eventually, I know like things are going to be on OTT for a while, but I have been there for a while. But I feel like now theaters are ready, so go there, and watch the film. They're anyway taking care of you. They're doing. You have to leave one seat and sit, and it's not 100% occupancy. They're sanitizing everything for you, and I feel like we'll all have to find opportunities because it is a new normal. You can't go back to what you were doing. That might happen
Absolutely.
sometime down the lane, but right now you have to find, because then how are you going to maintain a livelihood? How are you going to sustain your career?
बिल्कुल. But also talking about you, I mean, lockdown सबके लिए काफी ही difficult रहा, but for you it was extremely difficult because it was on your birthday, right? But you still made the most out of it.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
just,
Tell us more
it was
about
my
that.
birthday. It was the first day of lockdown. I was like, dude, I cannot go anywhere. This is it.
Huh.
I was planning because I was turning 22 and 22.
Oh, wow.
It had been 4 months. I was planning. I was like, oh, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. And I was locked down on the day. I'm like, this is the worst day of my life. I was so upset. But then, I probably just like got over it. And then I was like, I'm just being, this, I'm having first world problems right now. I should be, what about people that, actually are suffering? I mean, I shouldn't be so,
But you took
I
a
should be
moment
grateful
to
to
do
have a good
that.
life.
Yeah.
I should be
Like
grateful to
you
have a
made
good
a
life, and those people are suffering their daily. What about the daily wage workers? I mean, they didn't have anything at the time, and then I decided I should maybe sort of help them a little bit, whatever little I
yeah.
could do, and so that's how it happened. And
Yeah, we
then
heard you made a huge generous donation on
it
your birthday.
wasn't really huge. It was whatever I could do, how much I had in my savings. I thought it's very important to sort of help people around you, and I didn't even like want to tell people about it, but like sort of now the was just very I felt really bad that literally everything for them came to a standstill, and they take care of you, bro. Like when you go on a set, these people build your sets, they take care of you on throughout, like your daily basis. They're the foundation of your industry. You gotta take
Right.
care of them.
Absolutely, absolutely, so well said. And I understand that हर कोई इंसान थोड़ा सा हिचकता है ऐसी बातें डिस्कस करने से, क्योंकि हमें सिखाया गया है कि अगर आप कुछ भी अच्छा काम करें तो आप उसके बारे में बात ना करें. But I think it becomes very important जब as a country we are together going through something, हर कोई अपने अपने छोटे छोटे initiative के बारे में बात करे, so that there is some hope. I mean, the fact that you are doing something, somebody else is doing something, gives all of us hope कि यार चलो 10 चीजें खराब चल रही हैं, but then we are all trying. And हो सकता था किसी की capacity नहीं थी करने की. They must have felt at least Dhwani did something, or because of
It's just about spreading the message, like you said. It's just about saying that, oh, I've done, you can also do your bit. It doesn't matter, like even if it doesn't have to be monetary. It has to be, चलो किसी को जाके खाना दे दिया. Yeah, whatever little things you could do, like taking care of one meal of the day for them,
right,
or anything little, or maybe like feeding the dogs that are in the building, because bro, like they really suffered. Like people thought that acha, it's coming from the animals, so everybody neglected them.
I said, of course there was nobody on the streets, so
Yeah, there was
hotels
nobody
band
on
ho
the
gaye.
streets who would feed them. There was nobody who was feeding them. So do your bit, be it to help whoever, like do your bit to give back, and to sort of help anybody in need, be it a human being or an animal.
Right. I love the fact that you are right now giving back through this sense of normalcy जो आपने जो set करने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत हो गई थी, because हर चीज़, and especially to pick up your bag and go to the theater has become so weird for us. The fact that it's starting with a bang, I feel like वो जो tone हम लोगों को set करने की ज़रूरत है वो बहुत ज़्यादा important थी. So thank you for doing that. I feel like there's the big lovely party that's going to happen on 10th of January, and nobody should miss out to be a part of that.
Yeah, you should all come. All of you should come. We're going to have a party. It's literally going to be at a PVR near you. So please go and enjoy. boy.
Nayan in the performance.
Everything is there. All my songs are there, and I promise you, it's going to be a blast.
How amazing is that? How amazing. अच्छा, so 2020 के लिए, मतलब 2021 के लिए हम सब बड़ी ज़्यादा, hopeful and optimistic हो चुके हैं. What are your optimistic goals for the new year?
My optimistic goals for the new year are just be happy, firstly, dude. Because I think that's primary right now. We used to make plans, ऐसा resolutions बनाते थे कि ये साल में ये करेंगे, वो साल 2019 में हमने ऐसे बहुत ऐसे resolutions बनाए, but this year taught us that it's whatever the situation is, you have to be happy first. So in 2021, decide to be happy first, whatever the circumstance, and be inspired, try to motivate others around you, and try to take care of your family, try to take care of your career, try to focus on the little things in life. That's my thing to go about in 2021. I'm just sharing it.
That's fabulous. That's fabulous. Thank you so much, Dhwani, for doing what you're doing. अगर आप भी ध्वनि को join करने वाले हैं on 10th of January, so don't forget, do take a Instagram story, a picture while you're in the theater, tag Dhwani, tag PVR Juhu, and tell us that you were a part of the party. Dhwani would like to know that. I would like to know that we were all
Both
together.
of us would like to know. All of us would like to know how much fun you had.
हम कितने भी अलग, we were still together enjoying this moment. So yeah. Thank you so much, Dhwani, for doing that. And let's get ready for the party.
Thank you so much, Gunjan.